Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, I got so many comments on my videos that I speak too much fast. I didn't think so. I speak too much fast, but maybe it's my habit. Okay, comments करने वाले हैं क्या? Amrit Kaur, Rajdeep Kaur Butter, Varinder and Jasneet Jas. Well, thank you guys to seeing feedback पाया आपका. I'm very happy to see देख रहे हैं कि मेरी videos and मैं आज try करूँगा slow बोलूँगी and clear बोलूँगा. Okay, so it's easy for you to understand the whole story. My name is Gurbhej Jassar and I'm a speaking leader. If you are new here, please subscribe my channel and share my videos. So let's start today's video.
Listen.
Okay, this is the new topic of the 2022 September to December cue card. This is the cue card describe an English class / lesson that you enjoy. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਾਂ class explain ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਂ lesson explain ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. In this story, I explain about the class. मैं class भी explain ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈਗਾ. It's quite easy for you to remember and create an imagination in your mind. Okay. So as I already write some intro, you see same intro इधर कर लोगे beneficial होगा for you क्योंकि इनके विच थोड़ी मैं vocab use की हुई है. Okay, well, I have had so many lectures related to an English class. I missed means during of my school life and extremely relished a lot, which was given by my torch bearers. Torch bearers means teacher or tutors. एक ऐसा दें. Okay, story क्या होगी? Story होगी when I was in a school or a college. उसे explain कर सकते हैं. There was a English class कह सकते हैं या lesson. वैसे मेरी सारी story एक class से depend हैगी. Okay, there was a English class. Duration of that class was around 40 minutes or 1 hour. या तुसी कह सकते हैं more than 30 minutes कह सकते हैं. Okay, 40 minutes or 1 hour से कोई भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. You have to describe teacher. The teacher का name की सीगा, age, qualification and personality. Okay, name दस सकते हैं क्या? कुछ भी name बोल सकते हैं क्या? Age, he was around 30 or 35 plus कह सकते हैं क्या? Qualification, as he has done masters in English. ये भी कह सकते हैं क्या? Personality, he was quite young, or you can say that he was quite fit and fine. Okay, he or she gave realistic examples to explain some problems. कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम होनी है सीखिए सानू पर्टिकुलर अदर लेसन्स जरूरी नहीं है इंग्लिश कोई होर लेसन च भी अपन वो रियलिस्टिक एग्जांपल्स दिंदा हुंदा सीगा. सो इट्स क्वाइट ईजी फॉर अस टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट थिंग. ओके, he taught grammar, sentence formation and pronunciation. सानू ये तीन चीज़ां सानू ये कराउंदा हुंदा सीगा during the class. Okay, as we were around 30 students, ਅਸੀਂ 30 ਸੀगे या 25 सीगे according to you कुछ भी कह सकते हैं. As I had some troubles or tribulations, that means problem. Already मैं लिखा हुआ है, मैं vocab use की है and ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ track कर सकते हैं. Okay, the way he or she described was amazing, outstanding or excellent. Okay, at times means sometimes he or she delivered lecture by using sophisticated equipment. Sophisticated means new कह सकते हैं. Equipment कैसे सीखे? Projector जो अपन class कह सकते हैं smart classes सीखे सानू provide करता हुंदा सीगा. Okay, school or college कितने भी कह सकते हैं. Okay, I learned so many new things on regular intervals. मैं on daily basis पे कोई ना कोई चीज़ नवी न्यू मैं सीखता हूँ बस ये. Okay, I grasped everything in a short span of time. Grasp means catch करना, get करना, acquire or attain. Everything short span of time. भी छोटे time दी which मैं बहुत कुछ सीख ले सीखा सर तो कैसे within 45 days I grasped everything. Okay, in a short period of time. And I passed my exams with flying colors. Flying colors means good marks. Okay, so in the ending में करेंगे that was the English class which was fascinated. Okay, again, that was the English class which I attended. I really enjoyed that thing. Okay, so this is the story about the new cue card of 2022 from September to December. English class / lesson, but मैं explain कितना होया है class. Okay, जे तुसी कोई idea लेना है from lessons, comment करो. I will deliver the idea on a lesson. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share my videos. Well, thank you so much. Have a nice day.